Hello, hello, hello. Okay, today we are going to learn about the letter M. The M says The M says Every letter makes a sound. The M says as in monkey. So the first word that we're gonna see is mango. Mango. M says as in mango. Is this mango or snake? Mango. Yes, this is mango. Is this mango? Yes or no? Yes, it's mango. Okay, this is the second word. Moon. Moon. Is this moon or bicycle? Moon. Is this bicycle? No, it's moon. Is this moon? Yes or no? Yes. What is this? Moon. Awesome. Now we have monkey. Is this monkey? Yes or no? Yes, it's a monkey. Is this monkey or cat? Monkey. Is this a cat? No, this is not a cat. This is monkey. Very good. What is this? Monkey. Now we have mask. Now, mascara. Mask. Is this a mask or a ball? A mask. Is this a ball? No. Is this a mask? Yes. What is this? Mask. Awesome. Milk. Is this milk or juice? Milk. Is this juice? No, it's not juice, it's milk. Is this milk? Yes or no? Yes. What is this? This is milk. Very good. Now we have mother. Is this mother or sister? Mother. Is this sister? Yes or no? No, it's not sister, it is mother.